2 by 2 is 4. 4 by 2 is 8. The answer is 48. 1 by 7 is 0.7. 1 by 7 is 0.7. The answer is 77. 5 by 8 is 40. 5 by 8 is 40. The answer is 440. 7 by 2 is 14. The answer is 140. 1 by 4 is 0.4. 4 by 4 is 16. The answer is 56. 3 by 2 is 6. 3 by 2 is 6. The answer is 66. 4 by 8 is 32. 6 by 8 is 48. The answer is 368. 4 by 9 is 36. 9 by 9 is 81. The answer is 441. 9 by 6 is 54. 1 by 6 is 0.6. The answer is 546. 2 by 6 is 12. 4 by 6 is 24. The answer is 144. 8 by 5 is 40. 4 by 5 is 20. The answer is 420. 2 by 3 is 6. The answer is 60. 5 by 2 is 10. 1 by 2 is 0.2. The answer is 102. 1 by 6 is 0.6. 4 by 6 is 24. The answer is 84. 8 by 5 is 40. The answer is 400.